Did you know that selling your home is like dating? Just like dating, you'll have a lot of competitors in the housing market. If you want to get the attention of the right buyer, you need to stand out in the same way you want your crush to notice you. Today, I'll share with you some tips on how you can make your listing stand out in a competitive market. When you're selling your home, first impressions are very important. Think of your home just like a dating profile. Just like a dating profile needs a good picture, your home needs great photos to grab attention. Clean, staged homes with clear, high-quality photos make a great first impression and attract more buyers. Pricing your home is also important. Think of it like your home's personality. If the price is a little off, it's okay. But if the price is way off, it's like having a personality that doesn't match. It can turn people away. You want your home to be priced just right so serious buyers can see its value. If the price is too high, you might scare buyers away, and if it's too low, you could be leaving money on the table. Marketing is how you make sure the right buyers see your home. In the dating world, it's all about finding the right match, and in real estate, it's about getting your home in front of the right people. Good marketing helps your home stand out to buyers who are looking exactly for what you have to offer. The better your home is shown, the faster you find the right buyer. If you want your home to be swipe right worthy and you need help, feel free to reach out to me today. I'll help ensure that your home is priced correctly, looks great, and is shown to the right people. This will help attract the right buyer fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.